If you think whooping cough is a thing of the past, think again. California is facing a resurgence. So far in 2024, whooping cough cases in Los Angeles County are 3.5 times higher than last year. This highly contagious illness, also known as pertussis, can be severe, especially for infants and those with weakened immune systems. Symptoms start like a common cold but can escalate to severe coughing fits. The best defense? Awareness and vaccination. Vaccines are effective and can protect you and your loved ones from this dangerous illness. Don't wait until it's too late. Make sure your vaccinations are up to date and spread the word to help protect our community. Stay informed, stay healthy, and let's work together to stop the spread of whooping cough. California, we've faced health challenges before, and we can do it again. Let's take action today.